Imagine walking up to a full-sized Lexus that feels like both a palace and a playground. The 2026 Lexus LX 700 carries an imposing, upright presence, a bold spindle grille, muscular shoulders, and a confident stance that says it's built for both CEOs and explorers. It's not trying to blend in, it commands attention with a mix of elegance and strength. Under the hood, the LX 700H features a twin-turbo V6 paired with a hybrid system producing around 457 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. In simple terms, that means smooth acceleration, powerful passing on highways, and effortless towing or hill climbing. The torque delivery feels instant and controlled, giving this large SUV an unexpectedly agile feel for its size. The hybrid system isn't a basic gas-plus motor setup. It's engineered for efficiency and performance together. It uses a motor generator and clutch system that keeps power delivery seamless while maintaining full-time four-wheel drive. Beyond fuel savings, this design boosts reliability and ensures strong traction across terrains. Lexus even designed it to stay operational if the hybrid system temporarily disengages, proving its focus on durability and real-world usability. Off-road, the LX 700 stands out. Waterproof components, protected battery systems, and a structure designed for deep water crossings make it capable far beyond most luxury SUVs. The overtrail trim takes things further with all-terrain tires, locking differentials and enhanced suspension, ready for rocky trails or muddy paths, all while keeping Lexus's signature smooth ride. Step inside, and you're met with Lexus luxury at its finest. Every surface feels premium, from the layered dashboard design to the soft leather seats that offer both support and comfort. The infotainment system now feels modern and intuitive, featuring large screens, wireless smartphone connectivity, and improved responsiveness. Cabin noise is nearly silent, creating a first-class travel experience with massaging seats, ambient lighting, and plenty of charging options for passengers in all three rows. While the LX offers seating for 7, the third row is best for short trips or smaller passengers. Cargo space with all rows up is moderate, but folding the rear seats opens up generous storage for long journeys. On the road, comfort is king. Adaptive suspension smooths out bumps, and the steering feels precise but relaxed. The F-Sport. Handling trim sharpens body control for those who prefer a sportier edge, but even in base form, the LX glides over rough roads with composure. Braking and cornering feel confident, giving the driver a sense of total control despite the vehicle's size. When it comes to practicality, the LX 700 offers strong towing capacity and features like a built-in power inverter for camping or outdoor use. Safety systems are top-notch, with lane assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and parking sensors, making this large SUV easier to maneuver than expected. Different trims let buyers choose their style. Overtrail for rugged performance, F-Sport for sharper driving, and luxury or ultra-luxury for maximum comfort. Pricing starts higher than the non-hybrid LX 600, but the added capability, hybrid power, and premium finish make it a worthy step up for serious buyers. If we're being fair, the LX isn't perfect. The third row space and overall cargo area could be larger, and while the hybrid helps with fuel economy, it's still a big SUV. Efficiency gains are modest. But if you're after a true blend of comfort, power, and adventure-ready capability, the 2026 Lexus LX 700H is one of the most well-rounded options available. In short, the Lexus LX 700H is built for people who want it all: luxury, strength, technology, and the freedom to go anywhere. Whether it's city commutes, long highway drives, or rugged outdoor escapes, it's designed to handle it all with quiet confidence and unmistakable style.